Today we're going to be making some low carb or keto rusks. Now rusks are a South African thing where you basically bake a loaf and then you cut it into rectangles and then you slowly dry it in the oven and you end up with a biscuit type snack, or you could even have it for breakfast. Very often it's had with coffee as an afternoon snack or for breakfast. Now some of you may remember that Anne did a video a few years ago on her version of a healthy type rusk where she used a lot of seeds and whole grain. But since then, Anne and I have gone on to a keto diet, so she's been working on a new recipe to suit that diet. And basically what she's done is taken out the margarine and lowered the carbs as much as possible. And I think she's turned out a brilliant recipe. It's even more tasty than the original one, and we believe it's more healthy as well. Now the basic method for this recipe remains the same. So if you need any details on how to prepare the rusks for drying, then I suggest you watch her original video, which you can click on here, or if you wait till the end of this video, we'll give you a link to it there. So we'll keep this video as brief as possible, just basically going through the recipe with you, and the rest of the method obviously you can get from her original video. So Anne is standing by and she's going to take us through that recipe, so let's get going. So that's all there is to it. So all you have to do now is cut them into rectangles of a size that you're happy with, and then you place them in a baking tray, just separate them slightly, and slowly dry them in a low heat oven of about 80 to 100 degrees C. Now feel free to experiment with this recipe and add the things you like maybe some chopped nuts or something like that. But what Anne recommends, if you do change the recipe, try and keep the dry ingredients, the ones that are listed above baking powder in the recipe, to about 1 kilogram, just so that your consistency remains good. If you go far off that, then you might have to change liquid quantities and that sort of thing, which then makes it a bit difficult. And if you do any experimenting and you come up with some brilliant ideas, we'd love to hear them. So just leave us a message down in the comments section below this video. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any questions or comments, please just scroll right down to the comment section and leave us a message there. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much for watching.